What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So firstly, what you want to do is to go to your profile. To do that, you're going to tap on profile icon in bottom right, then you're going to go to top right corner and you're going to tap on the three lines. Now that we are on settings and activity, what we want to do here is to go to account center. From here we're going to go to manage accounts. We're going to choose the account that we want to deactivate. Then we're going to click on manage. And here, as you can see, we have deactivation or deletion. We're going to tap on it. And now we have to choose between deactivate the Instagram account or delete the account. What that means, if you choose to delete account, the account will be permanently deleted. And if you choose to deactivate the account, this action is temporary and you can reactivate it in the future. After you choose what you want to do with your account, you're going to tap on continue. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.